All right, guys, I thought it might be time to dig into the naughty bucket again. And so I dug down deep, down near the compost level, and found this little Mauer that I bought on a trip to Germany a couple of years ago. I have never been able to pick this little guy. It's a 6-pinner. You can see from the side here and also from the key. When I bought this in the locksmith shop, I deliberately chose this one. He let me pick through and look at the keys. So I picked one that was going to be quite challenging, and it's turned out to be more of a challenge than I'd bargained on, I got to tell you. When we look at the keyway, let's see if we can flip it over here. That's what we're looking at. Now, you really need to be picking from the left side there, from that bottom left corner, and roll it up around that boarding. So you're going to need a curved flag. Well, when you have a Sauber kit, this is your curved flag. You get a single curved flag, and it's not really much of a curve when you look at it. The problem with it is, well, these are made in the UK, and this is a left flag. I mean, and it's probably because they drive on the left side of the road or something. I really don't know why they only give you a left flag, but this is the only one they give you. And the problem with it is, it's not the flag that I need. I could probably use it, but again, I'm not looking at much of a curve there. So typical of most challenge locks or most locks that I find inside of the naughty bucket, you need to modify a tool or invent a tool or come up with a brand new technique in order to beat it. And so that's kind of what I've done here. I have taken my Sauber kit, and they come with a couple of straight flags. So I broke one of them trying to make this happen, but I did manage to get a fairly significant right flag with a lot of curve on it. And then I ground the tip of it just enough so that when I slide them in, let's see if I can do this. Keep it focused, Bill. When you slide them in there, you use that bottom left corner kind of to index the back of the pick. Hold it stable, and that way you know you're going to be positioning it precisely when you slide it down the keyway. And it's enough of a flag to kind of roll around that warding, just in case we got some very, very deep cut ones. And we know we do. Man, we got more than one. We got several to deal with. So you absolutely have to have this. So I got it made. It seems to be, there's no cracks. I think it might very well work. So let me clamp this bad boy up, and let's put our new tool to use and see if we can finally evict this nasty Mauer. All right, I've got him pretty tight inside of the clamp. I've already drawn a mark on there, and I've chosen my tension wrench, this little guy. And I'm going to slide him right here in that little piece of warding. That's why I chose him. And then when I put a little tension on it, it lines up the two lines pretty well. Let's see if I can go in there. I'm going to apply light tension on him because these Mauers, again, they're precision locks. So you really can't force them. It's not like a master lock. So a little bit of finesse, I think, required. So very light tension. And let's see if we can find somebody binding. Pin 3. Little click, and a very mushy click at that. Pin 5. Click. I'm not going to force him. 6. And I might have just overset 6. He just kind of mushed into place. No click, no turn, no nothing. Pick a stock. Okay, that was 4. I felt a very slight turn on the core. That's 3. Binder. Stuck. Come out of there. That was 2, and there we go. And there we go. I was going to say he's pinching that pick in there. All right. All it takes sometimes is a custom tool. That's all I was waiting for. For 2 years, all it took was just one little bent pick. Anyway, finally got the Mauer out of here. It is not, unfortunately, guttable. I did not detect any counter rotation or anything. I think it's probably all standard pins. and they depend on access to the keyway and precision of the tolerances. So anyway, guys, there you go. The Mauer locking system. Dimple Lock. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe. Stay legal. Now I got to figure out how to lock the darn thing. There we go. Evicted. If you like what Lock Lab's doing, you can really help me out by subscribing, hitting the like button, and of course sharing it on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks, guys.